Assalamu alaikum, grade 2. How are you? I hope you're happy and safe. Our lesson today is regroup tens. You have learned before how to subtract two-digit numbers. In this lesson, you are going to learn how to subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping. So let's start with the story. Mr. Hicks, our gym teacher, had 145 jump ropes. 36 jump ropes broke this year, unfortunately. The question is, how many jump ropes does Mr. Hicks have left? Write the number. What do you think, grade 2? How can we solve such a problem? Yes, we need to subtract. Subtract 145 minus 36 equals what? Let's model this problem. Let's model the first number, 145. Since we have 100, so we need 100 block. For tens, so we need 4 tens rods. Here they are. And we have 5 ones, so we need 5 ones blocks or 5 ones units. Minus 36. Let's subtract ones at the beginning. Minus 6, we need to cross out 6 ones. But what do you think, grade 2? Do we have enough ones to subtract? We need to cross out 6 ones, but here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ones. We don't have enough ones to subtract. So what do you think, grade 2? What do we need to do? Did you say regroup? If so, you are totally right. Yes, we need to regroup 110 as 10 ones, just like this. Now, how many ones do we have, grade 2? Here we have 10 and here we have 5, so we have 15 ones. That's enough. We need to cross out 6 ones. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, after regrouping and subtracting, how many ones are left, grade 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So now we have 9 ones. So good. Let's see the tens. So this 4 is gonna be 3 now because we regroup 110 as 10 ones. Here they are, 1, 2, and 3 tens. Now let's subtract tens. Here we have 3 tens and we need to subtract 3 tens of them. So 3 minus 3, we need to subtract or to cross out 3 tens. 1, 2, and 3. How many tens do we have now? 0 tens. Great job, grade 2. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. Now let's see hundreds. We have 100, but here we don't have any hundreds to subtract from. So we don't have to cross out any hundreds. So we have 100, 0 tens, and 9 ones. So 145 minus 36 equals 109. So there are 109 jump ropes are left. So please, grade 2, be sure to write the answer here and to draw the blocks in this space. Now let's solve another example using the work math. If we have 652 minus 429, let's try the first number here. We have 600, 5 tens, and 2 ones. This is the first number. Minus 429 equals what? As you know, when we subtract, always we have to start with ones. So 2 minus 9. Do we have enough ones to subtract, grade 2? We don't have, so we have to regroup. Regroup means that we will take 110 from these tens. So this 5 is going to be 4. And this 2 is going to be 12. We will add 1 here because 2 plus 10 equals 12. Or simply you can add it to the left to this digit. So we have 12 ones now. 12 minus 9 equals 3. Great job. So let's see the tens. 4 minus 2 equals 2. And 6 minus 4 equals 2 again. So 652 minus 429 equals 223. Now let's solve the question number 1. 546 minus 17. Let's start with ones. We have to start subtracting with ones. You know that grade 2. It's very important. So 6 minus 7. Can we subtract? 6 minus 7. Do we have enough ones? Of course no, because 6 is smaller than 7. So we have to regroup. So this 4 is going to be 3. And this 6 is going to be 16. So now 16 minus 7 equals 9. Great job, grade 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. And 5 minus nothing equals 5. So the answer is 529. Question number 2. 783 minus 439. 3 minus 9, it's not allowed. We don't have enough ones. So this 8 is going to be 7. And this 3 is going to be 13. Now 13 minus 9 equals 4. 7 minus 3 equals 4 again. 7 minus 4 equals 3. So 783 minus 439 equals 344. Now it's your 10th grade 2, so please try to solve these questions by yourself, and then when you finish, you can pick them here. Let's solve the question number 8 together. 754 minus 507. Let's subtract ones. 4 minus 7 equals what? We don't have enough ones, so we have to regroup. So this 5 is gonna be 4. And this 4 is going to be 14. So 14 minus 7 equals 7. Now 4 minus 0 equals 4. 7 minus 5 equals 2. So the difference is 247. Again, now it's your 10th grade 2, so please try to solve these questions by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check your answers here. The same for the next page, you can check your answers here. And the next 2 pages are your homework grade 2, so please try to solve them by yourself. And then when you finish, you can check them here. And here you can check my progress, page number 431 and page number 432. That's enough for today, grade 2. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.